When you open Snapchat for the first time, you'll notice that it's built differently from social media. We don't open to a feed powered by an algorithm. Snapchat is a messaging service that most people use to communicate with their real-life friends and family, similar to text messaging or phone calls. Our goal is to provide a healthy and safe experience, and our core features are designed to reflect the fun and spontaneity of in-person conversations. Here's a quick overview of the key parts of Snapchat. Snapchat opens into a camera. It's an easy and visual way for you to share what's on your mind with the people who matter most to you. Snap a quick video or photo with our augmented reality lenses to put fun and educational layers on the world, and get creative by overlaying text, stickers, and more. To the left of the camera is Chat, where you can talk to your friends and family using text and pictures. Your chats will show when both friends are there at the same time. They'll indicate when your friend has opened and viewed your snaps. Snaps and chats delete by default to mirror real-life conversations, where what you say or do isn't recorded forever and shared with a bunch of strangers. This helps people feel more comfortable expressing themselves, the same way they would if they were just hanging out with friends in person. And while chats and snaps delete by default, you do have the option to save chats, simply by tapping on the ones you want to save. In Chat, you can also make voice and video calls and join group conversations. Swipe to the left of Chat for the map. Our map is an interactive way for Snapchatters to share their favorite spots, discover new places, and see what their friends are up to, but only if they choose to share their location with you. And if you go back down to the action bar, there are 2 more tabs to cover: Stories and Spotlight. Swipe to the right of the camera for Stories. Add snaps to your story to share more of your day with friends and family, and scroll down to discover new stories and content about the world, produced by trusted media publishers and verified creators. Right next to Stories is our entertainment platform, Spotlight. This is where Snapchatters can submit and watch short, fun, and creative videos. That's it! 5 tabs for fast, visual communication with your close friends. To learn about the safety protections we built across our app, visit parents.snapchat.com.